What comes to mind when you think of Amazon? The vast, sprawling rainforest. Sure, it's magnificent, but for many, it's the trillion-dollar e-commerce giant that's transformed the way we shop. Welcome to a discussion on becoming part of this revolution, the Amazon Seller's License. Before we get into specifics of what the license is, please give this video a like, press the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can stay in the loop about crucial information that can benefit your business. First things first, let's clarify a common misunderstanding. There isn't a specific Amazon seller license, but to sell on Amazon, certain requirements and legalities need to be met, which can sometimes be as demanding as obtaining a license.
Wow.
For starters, you need a business name and legal structure, tax information, and an active bank account. Remember, it's not just about selling, it's about selling right. Each category of goods, like beauty products, food, or electronics, might require approval from Amazon. The company wants to ensure its customers are getting high-quality, safe, and authentic products. So you might need to show invoices from your suppliers, a certificate of analysis, or even a food handler's permit. Here's where it gets interesting. Did you know that over 2.5 million sellers are actively selling on Amazon as of the last count? That's more than the population of some countries. And while it may sound daunting, don't fret. More than half of items sold on Amazon worldwide are from small and medium-sized businesses. In fact, they sold an average of well over 4,000 items per minute last year. But it's not all rosy. Selling on Amazon comes with its own costs. Subscription fees, referral fees, and potentially closing fees. They might look small individually, but they can add up quickly, cutting into your profit margins. That's why it's essential to understand all the ins and outs of the process, from the legal requirements and permissions to the costs and challenges. Getting your products to the world through Amazon might seem like a dream, but it requires careful planning, attention to detail, and of course, meeting the various requirements. So while there isn't an Amazon seller license per se, it's an endeavor that requires proper preparation, the right documents, and an understanding of the processes involved. If you need help setting up the licensing and documents to sell on Amazon quicker, please visit legalregistration.com, or you can call our business formation team right now at 877-955-7111. Also, are you surprised to find out that there's no official Amazon seller license? Leave your comment below and let us know what you think. Please also don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can keep up with important business registration information.